أهلا بيكم. النهاردة الدرس رقم 122 من دروس تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. وهنتكلم على النوع الثالث من الكونكتورز or conjunctions. النوع اللي بستخدمه لوصف الأثر أو النتيجة. Hello and welcome. Today is lesson 122 and I am going to talk about connectors or conjunction are used to show the effect or a result of an action and how to use them in everyday life and everyday conversation. So let's start. زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا connectors conjunctions effect الأثر النتيجة. It's written in Arabic. Examples. Her recipe didn't go well. Consequently, she threw it away. He gained weight as a consequence of his unhealthy eating habits. I am immune to smallpox as a result of vaccination. He was busy, therefore he couldn't come. These connectors are used to show the effect or a result of an action. It's written in Arabic. تستخدم هذه الروابط لإظهار تأثير أو نتيجة إجراء ما. A connector example. Consequently as a consequence. As a result of therefore. Okay. Connector 1. Consequently. Okay, consequently. Examples. Her recipe didn't go well. Consequently, she threw it away. She didn't like the pudding. Consequently, she threw it all away. She was a bright and eager student and consequently did well in school. A connector 2 as a consequence. Examples. He gained weight as a consequence of his unhealthy eating habits. As a consequence of being in hospital, Shelley decided that she wanted to become a nurse. Animals have died as a consequence of coming into contact with this chemical. A connector 3 as a result of example. The company took out too many loans and as a result of that they went bankrupt. The flight was delayed as a result of fog. I am immune to smallpox as a result of vaccination. He was injured as a result of boiler explosion. Connector 4, therefore. Examples. Martin was the employee of the month, therefore he got the promotion. He was the only candidate, therefore he was elected. He was busy, therefore he couldn't come. The lime water has turned cloudy, therefore carbon dioxide has been produced during the experiment. He was the boss's husband and therefore untouchable. We were unable to get funding and therefore had to abandon the project. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to press subscribe and like. I always wish you all the best. Goodbye and good luck.